This Scissor Jack kit is thoughtfully tailored for Tesla owners, yet remains compatible with a wide range of sedans, sport utility vehicles, and multipurpose vehicles, making it a versatile tool to keep in the trunk. Its rated capacity of 2.5 tons with a generous lifting range offers enough strength and height for most everyday vehicles without feeling overtaxed. The Jack is built from robust cold-rolled steel with a widened base, which gives a reassuring sense of stability and durability when you are working at the roadside. 2 dedicated jack pads are included to match Tesla lift points and protect pinch welds and underbody panels from direct contact with bare metal. The kit also comes with both a ratcheting handle and a lug wrench, plus matching sockets, so you have everything needed to swap a tire without digging for extra tools. Overall, the combination of solid construction, thoughtful accessories, and broad vehicle compatibility makes this kit a practical and confidence-inspiring for emergency tire changes.